So, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you print faceplate labels using the PT-E310BT. So what you'll need to do is come down here to the hotkeys and hit faceplate. Now it's important to measure the DESI window of the faceplate, and at that particular point you can put in how long you want the label to be. Number of blocks, how many ports are we doing? Is it going to be a single port? Is it going to be a 2-gang? Is it going to be a 4-gang? A lot of the faceplates out there are 2-port, very easy to do. You can see the orientation down here, which, if you wish, you can change to either vertical or horizontal. So in this case, I'm going to keep it horizontal. Press the OK button. Again, you get a blank screen. And we're going to serialize this job, so I'll put in my first identifier, which is A01-01. You want to hit the serialize button because you don't want to hand type every single label. You want the machine to do the work for you. So hold down the shift key and hit the serialize button right here. I'm going to left arrow over to the left hand side of the 0 and then press OK. Then I'm going to right arrow to highlight the 1 and press OK again. Now it's going to ask me how many faceplates do I want to do. In this case, let's just do 24. Hit the OK button. There's also a preview here of what it's going to look like. Once you're happy, press Escape to come out of there. So let's go ahead and print a few. When we go to print, it's going to give a few options. All, which is the entire job you just built. Current, which is what's on the screen, or a specific range. In this case, we'll select range. Press the OK button, and let's just do 4. Then hit print. The machine will then prompt you each time it's ready to cut the label, using the simple manual cutter here. And there you have your 4 2-port faceplate labels. Ready to apply, simple as that.